Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time to show you what to do with your instant noodles or my instant noodles or whatever. Anyways, I've got some noodles. They're made in South Korea for the French market. The package is kind of mangled. But it's a range or whatever called Mr. Min. And this is their original beefy ramen, and it looks, I'm going to have to contact the company that makes these. These are actually made by Paldo. Look, they got a bunch of different kinds, and these are actually really freaking good. They're like, they're really good. They have to be. They are for the French, you'll see. Okay, so let's take the pot. Now with the magic of this armature, you can watch me put it in the pot. Isn't that just fantastic? So we're going to drop it in the pot like it's hot. And we'll put in the flake sachet. There's the flakety flakes. And then we've got the powdery powder up next. Man, this is really nice. I gotta say a huge thank you to my wife for getting me this for Christmas, because this is all I wanted for Christmas. Really, and she got it for me. And it's not like it was expensive or nothing. I think they're like 17 bucks on Amazon. But it's all I wanted. So there's your powder and stuff. And I'm gonna put it back on the boil. And it goes for a whopping 2 minutes. Look, you can just do that. It's so easy, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Wow. So, yeah. Yeah, I really like this thing. This is like huge daily constant headache gone. There's the 2 minutes. So it's been replaced with a new headache. I just ran the speed test from inside the router. There's a utility for it. I've got Frontier Internet. And the speed test tells me that my gigabit internet is running instead of like earlier it was like at 297, and last test it was 420, 420. 420 up, 420 down. So it's like, dude. And I got the bill, and that was messed up too. On Friday, I spent 4 hours. 4 hours on hold. Or not just on hold, but like, first lady I get, she's like, dude, she's drunk. I swear to God, she's like breathing heavy into her headset. Totally unintelligible. It was just like, wow. Can I speak to a supervisor? Pay off for supervisor. Call drops after 25 minutes. Call back. Lucky me, I get the same lady. Well, I need to know why you need to talk to a supervisor. Well, I just want to first off, I want to complain about the last person that I talked to. She sounded like she was high or something. You know, of course, it's the same lady. I don't think she even remembered me, so that's rad. And then, of course, again, the call dropped. So while I was waiting, though, I got on text chat with Frontier and told him this whole story that I was dealing with. I mean, this is like a saga. This is a horrible ongoing saga. We don't have like little customer service issues in our family. We have like freaking Nordic Beowulf style sagas of absolute crappy customer service, and it sucks so bad because mainly it's like the thing that bugs me is the fact that my wife worked in retail and she's got like a freaking gold star rating and all that for customer service. She'll put up with a lot from people, and then what happens? We get crap customer service across the board. We go to the grocery store. Yeah, I get okay a lot of the time, but a lot of the time I don't at our local grocery store. It's like the person in front of us, they're talking to, oh yeah, blah 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 blah. Well, you have a great day. You have a great day. Now it's my turn. Hello. And then they look at the next person in line and they start talking to them before they're done before I'm even have left yet. And I'm like, they're like, just hand me the receipt and like basically like, get out of here. Here's the receipt. Go. It's like, wow. It sucks. I don't know. Oh, I was gonna taste. I've had this before. Let's have this taste of this first. Actually, let's use a new one. That would be more prescient, or I don't know what word you want to use. Mo better. Broth. Yeah. So the last one of these I had, of these Mr. Min's, they were salty, a little bit spicy. This one's salty, kind of beefish. So that's kind of where you're at with these. The noodles are very soft. Do those really quick too, as usual. And they really pick up the flavor of the broth quite well. I like these. I probably will give these another really good score. So that's nice. I'm gonna drop in. I made this beef. I'll put it on top. That looks nicer at least. And I keep forgetting I got this nice tripod, whatever you want to call it. There we go. So I can just dump that right in right now. There we go. There's some beef. Oh, I am so putting an egg in here. Miles is over there talking to Alexa. He really likes Alexa a lot. He likes her a lot. Could have been worse. And spring onion, like a buttload of spring, well, a boatload. Let's call it a boatload because you're gonna eat it. And you know what I think would be nice on this? I'm gonna do it because it's nice on everything. Put some Laugan Ma on top of that beef because this is the lovin', the absolute total freaking lovin'. else we got here? I'm gonna use some. God, that stuff is so weird. The Laogan Ma, it's like every single flavor all in one. Really, it is. I just got like a total blast of sweetness on that. I think we're good. Maybe a little bit more spring onion. Maybe. Alright, and maybe some different music for the rotation on this. This is Mr. Min, made for France. Yeah. Yeah. See? It's a thunder tube. It's a spring. And a tube. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.